Exploring alternative revenue streams for YouTubers. YouTube has become a popular platform for creators to showcase their talents and build an audience. However, relying solely on ad revenue can be unpredictable and insufficient. That's why it's essential for YouTubers to explore alternative revenue streams. In this video, we'll discuss 3 great options. 1. Brand partnerships. Collaborating with brands can be a lucrative way to generate income. Seek out brands that align with your content and audience. Approach them with a well-crafted pitch showcasing your reach and engagement. Brand deals can range from sponsored videos to product endorsements, providing a steady stream of revenue. 2. Merchandise sales. Developing and selling your own merchandise is an effective way to monetize your channel. Create unique and attractive designs that resonate with your audience. T-shirts, hoodies, or even custom accessories can be great options. Promote your merchandise through your videos and social media platforms, providing a direct connection between your audience and your brand. 3. Online courses and Patreon. Leverage your expertise by creating online courses or offering exclusive content through platforms like Patreon. YouTube viewers appreciate valuable knowledge, and many are willing to pay for more in-depth information. Develop courses or membership tiers that cater to your audience's interests. This not only generates revenue but also strengthens your relationship with your loyal supporters. Bonus tip: affiliate marketing. Consider joining affiliate programs and promoting products or services that align with your channel's theme. By sharing unique links in your video descriptions, you can earn a commission for every sale referred through your channel. Research the best affiliate programs in your niche and be transparent about your affiliate relationships to maintain trust with your audience. Remember, diversifying your income streams as a YouTuber is crucial. By exploring these alternative revenue avenues, you can minimize dependency on ad revenue alone and build a sustainable income that supports your content creation efforts.